G'day everyone! After a great night's sleep in the caravans, it's time to pack up and say goodbye to Kingston in South Australia. Our next major destination is the city of Murrey Bridge, which is chilling out on the mighty Murrey River just east of the city of Adelaide, which you probably know is the capital city of South Australia. We are actually staying 4 nights in Murrey Bridge, so exciting adventures ahead once we get there. It's still about 220 kilometers trip, so I'm going to chop the driving footage into bite-sized videos so we don't put you to sleep too early. As you'll see, the sun has decided to peek-a-boo with us today, partially hiding behind some clouds. Well, it could be worse, put it that way. So, in this first leg, we have a fond farewell to our giant orange friend, Larry the Lobster, as we pull out of Kingston and hit the Princes Highway, heading north towards Murrey Bridge. But we're not staying on the main road for long. We're taking a quick, essential detour down to Coorong Beach to check out a cool spot called the Granites. The Coorong Beach is epic, a massive ribbon of white sand stretching for almost 200 kilometers. Well, here's a fun fact. It's actually known as the longest unbroken stretch of beach in Australia. There you have it, 200 k's of that sandy beach, all for you. And along this endless wild stretch, there are just 3 main granite rocks standing proud. We gotta see them. These rocks are total survivors, like nature's own little bodyguards, having stood up to the fierce Southern Ocean for thousands of years. We're going to see why these 3 chunks of granite got the memo to stick around, while all other rocks just disappeared and turned into 200 k's of sand. Maybe they have a secret invisible shield powered by sheer defiance. Or the magical Douglas Adams SEP field. Yes, the SEP field, look that up. So, as this video section wraps up, we're turning off the highway and heading straight for the beach car park where these amazing rocks are waiting on us down on the beach. You'll see a video at the end of this one with some great photos of the granites, so look out for that. And then in the next video we'll hop back onto the Princes Highway and continue our journey towards Murrey Bridge. See you back on the road, and don't fall asleep. granites. Don't know what to expect. Oh yes, some boulders out in the sand. Interesting. Can't complain about the beach, although you can complain about the wind and the rain. Those are the granites. Probably unusual because they don't crop up along the beaches except here.